after the crash. Low voltage function. Hazard lights on. The windshield wipers on. Hidden door handles unlocked and popped out. Recall activated.
好的，快紧急呼叫，可是现在看到品牌电脑不要使用。
不小心误触了，没事儿。你能听见吗？
可以听到吗？
能听到，能听到。您能听到我吗？
好，可以听到吗？
The operator can't hear. Rescue and extrication rating acceptable. Its structure badly damaged after the crash. The bumper beam and crash box are too stiff, and its compatibility with the rear guard was bad. A pillar ripped very early. B pillar cannot bear the crash and broke. Serious plastic hinge on the C pillar. Its structure rating poor. All airbags and safety belt activated. But passenger's safety belt was cut. Something wrong with the restraint system, the collapsed structure, subjected the passenger to severe impact, causing lethal neck and head injury. Poor, it didn't make it. Slight deformation on the driver's side, so it received little impact. Minor injuries. Overall protection rating, great. In this test, its overall rating, moderate. 40 miles per hour 40% front offset crash with a standard deformable barrier. Simulating a crash with another vehicle. This is the IIHS Moderate Overlap Frontal Crash Evaluation, a standard in NCAP assessments. All vehicles are set to the maximum load. Front, 1 dummy. Second row, 2 dummies. If there is third row, 2 dummies. In its 40% frontal offset crash test, hazard lights on, hidden car handles popped out and unlocked, all doors opened, recall activated, and worked fine.
欢迎致电理想客户服务中心。
你好，理想汽车紧急呼叫，请问可以听到我这边讲话吗？
可以听到，可以听到。
先生你好，咱们这边车辆是发生了什么问题了吗？
Rescue and extrication rating, great. Its structure performed good too. Multiple force transmissions are made by the crumble zone. Its bumper beam can transmit force to the passenger side. The non-crash side, it reduced great pressure on the compartment. No plastic hinges and deformations on A pillar. The door rings were intact. Serious intrusion on the brake pedal. Its structure rating, acceptable. The major problem is dummy protection. Great chest injuries of the driver. Moderate. Its neck protection, acceptable. Front restraint system rating, acceptable. Severe injuries of rear dummies. The 2 pre-tensioning belts differed greatly in length and tension. Rear left dummy's chest protection, moderate. Rear right dummy's injury was severe. Poor, it may claim its life. Rear restraint system rating, moderate. In the 40% frontal offset crash, its overall rating, moderate. 48 miles per hour 70% rear end crash by a 1 point per tons test vehicle. Simulates a secondary high-speed rear-ending. The dummy layout and weight distribution remained unchanged. According to U.S. Federal Regulations 301 and 305, major focuses are fuel and battery leakage, thermal runaway and structural integrity. Its rear-end test was similar to that of frontal offset crash. Its structure was intact. Its robust rear beam resulted in minor intrusion. Slight deformation on rear compartment. So its structure rating, great. No fuel leakage or thermal runaway in the test. So its fuel system integrity rating, great. Its rear-end crash rating, great.